Right there with you, Matt.
I'm getting shot at from gas station.
Are you dead?
Nope. Gonna get naded. Still at gas station.
Where at gas station?
Oh, I'm dead. They got me with a nade. They're on the south side of gas station. And they might be Rashalas. I'll check. Nope. PMC.
Where'd you die?
Near shortcut.
I just had eyes on at the back of the green truck.
Yeah, they're at gas.
Not at gas. Out on the road, Matt. There's that orange truck or green truck. Sorry. They went behind it.
Okay, I don't have eyes.
He's moving around, Matt, like he knows we're here.
Got him.
I was gonna say, I heard him scream. Good shit. He was underneath the bridge.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that was him.